This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Myra Spano. Seriously beautiful townhome, LAREGE floor plan located in the heart of the Greenbrier area of Chesapeake, modernly updated with everything new. Spacious living areas, all tastefully finished, shows pride of craftsmanship in a completely meticulously renovated home. Beautiful kitchen, bathrooms, lots of storage and fenced-in backyard ready for relaxing in privacy or entertaining. New kitchen, bathrooms, flooring, etc. new in 2017, roof, 30 years architectural shingles, water heater, HVAC system, windows. New in 2018, stainless steel appliance package and granite, fantasy brown, countertops. Updated electrical and plumbing. It's a gorgeous hidden gem, move-in ready, clean and sparkling. For more information, review the details below or contact Myra Spano at 757-563-3110.